Tadam!
So for today's video, we will be
Hey, are you bored out of your mind? Feel like life's turning unkind? Does it seem like the world is losing all its colors? My name is Wendell, I'll take you with me as I wander around the world. Be a wanderer, come join me in my world.
What's up, Wanderers? Welcome back to my vlog, Wendell the Explorer! So for today's video, we were actually scheduled to have a 2 days and 1 night camping, but it suddenly rained, so the plan was cancelled. But for this day to be productive, I will just show you and I will just tell you some tips and essentials to bring when going out for a camping. So without further ado, let us go to our vlog. Bye! 10 Essential Tips for Camping by Wendell. First tip, choose the right site and shelter. To reserve your right type of shelter and campground site, consider your age, physical limitations, and medical needs, as well as those of everyone else in your group. Number 2. Stay up to date with the weather. Make sure to keep an eye on the weather forecast before your trip. As we all know, weather can change within the hour, which means it's essential to pack for inclement weather such as rain, snow, and high heat and humidity. Number 3. Pack and store food safely. Pack your food in tight, waterproof containers and store them in an insulated cooler. To avoid foodborne illnesses, wash your hands and separate raw food from cooked meals. Number 4. Practice campfire safety. It is important to keep your fire small and contained in a designated area like a fire pit. You should also never leave a fire unattended. Always keep a bucket of water nearby and put the fire out before leaving or going to sleep. Number 5. Use insect protection, sunblock, and be aware of allergies. To protect yourself from mosquitoes, ticks, and other insects, use insect repellent that doesn't dissolve easily in water. Packing ointments, antihistamines, or other medications for your known allergies is a smart way to prepare for any unexpected encounters. You should also keep a first aid kit handy. Number 6. Dress properly according to your site. Always wear comfortable clothes when going outdoors. This also includes your hiking shoes, your hat, your sunglasses for heat protection, and also bring rain gears in case of rain. Number 7. Gear up and always bring your essential bag. Figure out what to bring based on how much room you have, your mode of transport, and the amount of time you'll be gone. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated doesn't mean drinking when you're thirsty. It means drinking water regularly throughout the day even if you do not feel thirsty. Number 9. Watch out for wildlife. Storing your food in a car, a bear-safe container, or food storage locker can prevent attracting unwanted wildlife. Be sure to avoid touching and feeding animals. And lastly, have fun and remain alert. Camping is a fun experience, but it's also imperative to pay attention to your body, what it needs, and how it reacts to the environment. Keep your wits about you, get plenty of sleep, and limit your alcohol intake. Those are my 10 essential tips for camping. Hey everyone, I'm back. So a while ago, I've already given to you the 10 important tips that you need to consider when going out camping. So for this moment, I will be sharing to you what's inside my essential bag. So without further ado, let's have my bag raid. So in this pocket, I actually have my sleeping mat to go on with my tent. So it's important for you to have your shelter and of course for your bedding so that you will be comfortable when you are sleeping outside your house. So in this next big bucket, I also have some essential things that you need to consider when going out. Of course, this is my tool bag, which contains the things that you need when going out in camping. You need some tape, of course, some telescope for sighting things and for sighting wildlife or for sighting anyone and anything. Sure. I also have my flashlights to see things during darkest moments. I also have some knife. This is hard to open, but yeah, oh my god, it's hard. Yeah, this is my knife. It is important to have this so that you will have something to use when going out, when cutting woods and some things for your campfire. You need also some lighter to light your fire, of course, and scissors to cut some things. Next, we have this bag. This is actually my essential bag. This contains my sunblock or sunscreen for the protection of the sunlight. You don't want to get, some tan lines, and of course, you don't want to get your skin burned because of sun. You also need your toothpaste and your toothbrush, and some insect repellent lotion, and of course, alcohol. So these are my essential kits, or number one, bag one. Essential kit bag one. So yeah. Next is my sandals. So you need to bring your extra footwear for you to be comfortable when going out. And a while ago, I have already shown to you my hiking shoes, which is very important to consider. And if you have your extra footwear, you also need to have your extra clothes, because you will never know if you will be taking a bath in the streams or in the rivers, or the rain will be pouring to your tent. So it's important to have your extra clothes. Then I also have this food essentials, food preparation essentials, which contains my mug, which is double purpose already, because you can drink this. You can drink coffee or tea with using this one, and also water. And triple purpose, because if you have champagnes, then you can have fun with your mugs. Then you also have I also have my pair of fork and spoon, and my multi-purpose container, because this cover can actually be used as your plate or bowl for soup. And of course, this one, this now, it can contain hot substances or hot food, just like soup, rice, or hot water, for it to remain hot, for you to enjoy your food. Then I also have here on the next packet, I also have here of course, food. I have instant noodles, canned goods, some tea for you to drink during morning, and biscuits to go on with your trip if you are hiking and going to your campsite. And lastly, I think this is the most important thing that you need to bring during camping, is your essential or your first aid bag or first aid kit. So here I have some gauze pads or gauze bandage. I also have essential oils, inhaler, ointment for allergies, some medications for headache, cough, sneezing, antihistamines, and of course other medications that you are actually using, just like your maintenance. It's important for you to bring that. And lastly, some other important things that you need to bring: a power bank, and my power bank has actually a flashlight, so it's a double purpose again. Cord, of course, and it's important to bring your, oh my gosh, where's my phone? It's important to bring also your phone for you to have your navigation. Of course, it already has maps and compass, and it's important for you to bring an actual compass also and map, because you will never know if the signal went out, right? And other things, just like books or journals, can also be essential for other people just like me because it's time to have a relaxation time outside. You can also bring your cameras for documenting memories. So you need to, if you want to go back to those happy days during camping, you can just browse on your Instagram stories for those candid moments. And also you can bring, what else can you bring? Lastly is your body, some energy, and of course some time, because it's important to enjoy the things outside your comfort zone. It's outside your daily life. It's important to have relaxation time, and camping is a way for us to enjoy our life, to reflect on things that are needed to change or to improve. So if you are going out, you just need to breathe and let out all the stress and enjoy your camping. So that's it for today's that's it for today, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed watching my vlog and actually gained a lot of knowledge when going out camping or hiking. So those are my essential tips and my essential bag when going out. So please don't forget to hit the like. If you love my video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button for you to be updated on my next videos, guys. So that's all for today. Goodbye, and I hope that that our camping will be fulfilled soon after this rainy season, right? So goodbye.
My name's Wendell, I'll take you with me as I wander around the world. Be a wanderer, come join me in my world. Click subscribe.